In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert an image into a text box and then format it to your liking in a Word document. This will ensure your document remains both professional and visually appealing. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step. To begin, we'll focus on creating the text box, which will act as our container for the image. Head over to the Insert tab on your Word toolbar. Here, you'll find the Text Box option. Clicking this will present you with two choices. You can pick one of the ready-made built-in styles, which are perfect if you're aiming for a quick and polished look, or alternatively, select Draw Text Box if you'd like to manually define the size and position of your text box. Once you've chosen your preferred method, either click to add the preset text box, or click and drag to draw your custom box on the page. Once your text box is in place, it's time to add our image. Click inside the text box to ensure your cursor is positioned correctly. That will allow the image to be inserted properly inside the box. Return to the Insert tab again and locate the Pictures option. When you click this, you'll be prompted to choose the image file you wish to insert. Navigate through your files and select the desired image. Then click Insert to place the image within the text box. At this point, the image should appear neatly inside your text box. However, if it seems to be awkwardly aligned or disrupting your layout, you might need to adjust its text wrapping settings. With the image selected, look for the Picture Tools tab and click on Format. Here, you'll find the Wrap Text option. Selecting a wrap style like in front of text or tight allows for easier manipulation of the image in terms of movement and resizing within the boundaries of the text box. Speaking of adjustments, you may now proceed to resize and position the image exactly how you want it. For resizing, simply click and drag the corner handles of the image. Take your time to adjust until it fits perfectly within the text box. If you're after a cleaner, more minimalist look, you might want to format the text box itself. Begin by selecting the text box, then move to the Format tab. Under Shape Fill, choose No Fill, and under Shape Outline, select No Outline. This will give your text box a transparent appearance, making the focus solely on the image itself. After completing these adjustments, click anywhere outside the text box to return to your regular document editing. And there you have it, a perfectly inserted and formatted image within a text box in Word. Happy editing!